Moving iron.
Here's what I've noticed a little bit. If the guy has a trade, he's coming to me. Because, and it's not because he doesn't want to auction his. The 1-year-olds are doing this on auction. Well, when you have hundreds doing that, that's so much pressure on everything else. So your 5,000, your 10-year-old 5,000 hour tractor, it's getting pressure too. Now, that's still the shining star of the ag world. It still is. That's the easiest thing to sell. But it's getting pressure. So to
moving iron.